Hello everyone, this is Anshuman Gupta. Welcome you all in RS News channel. Let's see top news headlines of this week. Starting with some of the national news. Pakistani military used decorate footage to mislead its own people, says PIB fact check unit. West Bengal police cracks down on anti-India social media posts accused arrested from many places. Now some international news. Hamas says it released Israeli-American hostage in goodwill gesture towards Trump's administration. 16 killed in Israeli strike on school-turned-shelter in Gaza. Now some entertainment news. Raid 2 box office collection day 12. Ajay Devgan star hits rupees 125 crore mark after minor dip on second one day. Now some education news. Pahalgam terror attack, school closed in Rajouri amidst shutdown call. Union Cabinet ITI Scheme 2025. How it helps bridge real skill employability gap. Then sports news. Maverick win NBA draft lottery with 1.8% odds. Indian cricket team star batter Virat Kohli announced his retirement from Test. Now some other news. Stopped a nuclear conflict, says Trump as he claims to have brokered India-Pakistan peace. Narendra Modi addresses nation for first time since start of India-Pakistan strikes. Now some school news. Raj English School has started summer camp for students for their physical development. Now some CBSE related news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) has declared that 10th and 12th results were declared in May. Now some Scout Guide news. The West Calcutta District Association of West Bengal State Bharat Scout Guide conducted a mock drill. Let's meet after a short break. Now let's see these news headlines in detail. Starting with some national news. The Press Information Bureau's Fact Check Unit on Monday, May 12, 2025, pointed out several pro-Pakistan propaganda posts including the one which Pakistani Director General, Internal Services Public Relations used a small part of an Aaj Tak news channel video to falsely claim that an Indian airfield had been destroyed. The West Bengal police cracked down on persons making anti-India comment on social media over the past few days as armed conflicts between India and Pakistan was raging on the Western Front. Now some international news. An Israeli-American soldier held hostage for more than 19 months in the Gaza Strip was released Monday, May 12, 2025. Hamas said in goodwill an Israeli strike on school-turned-shelter in Gaza Strip killed at least 16 people early on Monday, May 12, 2025, mostly women and children accordingly to local health officials. Gesture towards Trump administration that could lay the groundwork for a new ceasefire with Israel. An Israeli strike on school-turned-shelter in Gaza Strip killed at least 16 people early on Monday to 12 May 2025, mostly women and children accordingly to local health officials. Now some entertainment news. Ajay Devgan's terror Raid 2 continued its impressive run at the box office, crossing rupees 125 crore mark in India within just 12 days of its release. Now some educational news. All government and private schools in Jammu and Kashmir's Rajouri districts remained closed on Wednesday, April 23, in view of complete shutdown in the Kashmir Valley, issued by various associations in the area, according to an official statement. The Union Cabinet, chaired by Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi, has approved the scheme for upgradation of 1,000 government industrial training institutes (ITI) and the setting up of 5 national centers of excellence for skilling as a centrally sponsored scheme for transforming vocational education in India. Now some sports news. The Dallas Mavericks moved past Luka Doncic trade in resounding fashion Monday by winning the NBA draft lottery and accompanying right to select Duke's copper flag in June with the number 1 pick. Indian cricket team star batter Virat Kohli announced his retirement from Test on Monday with an emotional message on social media. Then some other news. Washington DC, May 12. US President Donald Trump has asserted that his administration played a crucial role in brokering an immediate cessation on hostilities between India and Pakistan, following escalating tensions between two nuclear armed neighbors. India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said his country will respond strongly to what he describes as a future terrorist attack after 4 days of military exchange with neighboring Pakistan. Now, some school news. We are pleased to announce that Rajendra School will be commencing a summer camp for students from class 1 to 5 on May 12. This break is designed to provide our students with a well-deserved rest and an opportunity to recharge before the new academic session. Now, some CBSE news. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) is expected to announce the Class 10th and 12th board examination result for 2025 in May, although the board has not yet confirmed the official dates and time. Based on past trend, the results are likely to be released between mid and late May. At last but not the least, some Scout Guide news. BSG India, the West Calcutta District Association of West Bengal State Bharat Scouts and Guides conducted a mock drill at Noponi High School Scout Group on 9 May 2025. This initiative aimed to raise awareness about disaster preparedness, safety measures, and the importance of quick response during emergencies. That's all. Thank you and stay connected with RES News Channel.